In this guide, I'll show you how to trim and cut videos with the YouTube video editor. So from the YouTube homepage, what you want to do is click on your profile picture in the top right corner, and from the drop down, select YouTube Studio. Then on the left sidebar, you want to select Content, and then you want to select the video that you want to edit. Once you're here, you want to have a look on the left sidebar again, and then you want to select Editor. Now, under Video Editor is where you're going to see the option to trim and cut. So, what you want to do is press the plus sign to add a trim. And here you're able to very easily shorten the video from the start, and you can also shorten it from the end. Now, if you want to make a specific cut in your video to get rid of it, say it was in the center here, what you want to do is select your video and then go up to New Cut at the top, and then you'll see this little red section here. So, all you have to do is navigate to where you want to cut out a certain portion, and once you're happy with what you've cut out, what you want to do is press the cut button or check mark, and then that's going to be cut out of your video. And do bear in mind at any point you can watch your video with these new edits in to ensure that it's the way you wanted it. And if you ever want to get rid of a cut, you just have to press this delete button right here. So once you're happy with the trim and or cuts you've made to your YouTube video, all you want to do is press save in the top right corner if you want to save everything. So it is going to give you a little rundown. It will take a few hours to apply. Viewers will still be able to see the current version of your video, and you won't be able to make any changes until this has been saved. So if you're okay with everything here, you can press save. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.